Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to make this simple free guide, a simple 3D model in Autodesk Fusion 360. This is the good example for beginners. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this beautiful model with the help of 2D drawing. Now here we have this 2D drawing, so we will create this model with the help of this one. It is a simple and good example for beginners. Now this is the interface of Fusion 360, Autodesk Fusion 360. So now we are going to start, we are going to make a simple model for beginners. So this is our main model. So we will start with this top view. See here 130 by 80 millimeter square rectangle, and you will see dimension here 20 millimeter we need to extrude. That's it. These things we will create first in top plane, and then there is we will create this circle, radius 27, outer radius 41, and how much we need to extrude, 48 millimeter, and the distance from bottom, see here, 96 millimeter. So let's make these two things. Now here first we will assign a name to the component. Let's say this is a kind of free guide. Okay, now we created a name component. Now we will start with create sketch. Now it will ask you which plane do you like to use, so we will choose this one, top plane. That's it. Now from here we will choose rectangle. We will choose center rectangle so that our geometry will be symmetric in all sides. Now see, now the first length put 130 millimeter, press tab key, and this one 80 millimeter, enter. Now see, now simply click finish sketch and select here extrude. Now here already select this sketch, that's why you saw green. Now we need to extrude. Either you can drag, or the same funda like other CAD softwares. So this 20 millimeter. Now here we need to choose one side, profile already selected, and here we will keep distance. We will see this two other things, object and all. Then 20 millimeter angle, and this is the new body because there is no other body, so we choose first new body. Okay, that's it. Now we need to create sketch. Now this time we will choose which plane. Let's drop down the menu, YZ plane. That's it. Circle. Now let me draw here two circles. That's fine. Right click, okay. Now let's define. So simply either choose dimension, click dimension D, or simply select from here. Now if you select, it is shown in diameter, so simply right click and select here radius. Now see, it comes in radius, outer radius 41, enter. Inner, it is also shown in diameter, right click radius. Now this is also converted into radius, and that is 27 millimeter. Okay, now center distance from bottom line, 96 millimeter. Right click, okay, or simply press escape. Now here we need to create one relation, so we will choose horizontal or vertical constraint. I'll select this center point and this center point. Now see, it comes in one line or one position. That's it. Finish sketch, extrude, and this time we will select this center portion, and here choose symmetric. And here also we will get two options, either half length or full length. So we will try full length. If you try full length, it will moves in the one dimension we move in both sides. So this is 48 millimeter actually. That's it. And here click join. Okay, so that it will in one body. Now let's expand this one. So this thickness is 30 by 50 millimeter, and up to this body, these things we will create, and we will cut this circle, this oblong size is 10, radius 6 millimeter, 25 and 35 millimeter distance. Then later we will mirror, and chamfer is 1 into 45 degree. Now I'll select this face, sketch, center rectangle, and I'll draw a rectangle from center, 30 millimeter, tap 50 millimeter, enter. Now finish. Isometric view. Now we want to extrude, so select this face. Now here either you can expand anything like this. Here we will choose up to object. Let me choose this object. Now here we have two options, minimum and maximum. See, this is minimum. If we choose maximum, it will go up to top, so choose minimum. Click here join. Okay, now see, this face, sketch, and here we need to create oblong hole. Slot, center slot, center to center. Right click. Okay, now let's define this. So simply press Ctrl D, not Ctrl D, simply press D. Now this length, enter 10, and this radius 6 millimeter, and distance from this outer line is 35 millimeter, and distance from this vertical line 25 millimeter, enter. Now see, drawing is fully defined. Simply finish sketch. Let me choose here extruded boss base. I'll select this part and simply press downward direction, or even you can select all, so that it will cut up to the end, one side. And here make sure it is, if you drop down, it will show you here cut, but you have to make sure this is cut. Okay, that's it. Now chamfer for either you can directly right click and choose from here chamfer, or otherwise we have option here chamfer 1 millimeter. See here, equal distance, we will choose here equal distance. Okay, and make sure tangent chain is selected, otherwise only one edge will be selected. Okay, that's fine. Now here we need to try to make mirror for this. So what we will just go to create, and here choose mirror. Now first option we need to choose feature. Okay, object, so we have to select one, and chamfer, two objects we selected. Then choose mirror plane, so select this one, and here you will see, if you can't able to select, so simply select from here YZ plane. Now you will see a preview here. Okay, now see, it's mirror. That's so simple. Now it's time to make this upper part. So this radius is, outer radius 16 millimeter, 22 millimeter from one side, and this inner diameter 12 millimeter, and the thickness is 60 millimeter, 60. Okay, we will create this one, and the distance is from bottom is 138 millimeter. Okay, we will create this one, and we will create this hole 5 millimeter, one only in one side. Chamfer is 1 by 45 degree. So these two things we will make. So now let me choose here YZ plane, sketch, and let me draw here circle. Again let me choose here line, draw vertical line and connect with this. Okay, now here we will choose constraint, select this line, it's become vertical. This is also, and let me choose this one. Okay, this is already horizontal, so no need to define this one. Okay, now we need to define one more relation, vertical and horizontal. Select this center point and this center point. Now it is comes in one direction. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to this point 138 millimeter. Now see, now here it shows radius, so right click, diameter radius, and this radius is 16 millimeter. Enter. Now inside diameter 12 millimeter. That's it. Escape, and this dimension keep down so that it will cover whole geometry. Now let me extrude, and we will see some more things. Finish the sketch, extrude. Now here we need to select 1 and 2. These two portions we need to select. Here select symmetric, full length, and full length here shown 60 millimeter. Now see, okay, it's cut. Right click, you can edit feature. Here select join. Okay, still there is one dimension missing, it is not in center. So what we will do, right click, edit feature, sketch, delete this. Now move this one here, dimension, distance from outer edge 22 millimeter. This is important distance. Finish, delete. Now let me try again. Vertical length 138 millimeter. This one, even if you define so that your geometry will be perfect, fully defined. Now okay, this seems fully defined. Right click, escape. Now let's see something here. Delete. Okay, now here select finish the sketch. Now see, we perfectly. Now how we can delete this one? So simply right click, delete, and here select entities. So 1 2, just rotate. 3 faces selected, even though I'll choose inside. Okay, now see, it's deleted. This is very simple command. Now again we need to create a hole. XZ plane, create a sketch, hole, and this hole is 5 millimeter, dimension. Now we will define the dimension from bottom line, 96 millimeter. Center point and the center origin point. Now see, it is in one line. Finish sketch, extrude. Now drag it here. Now here nothing more body, so you don't need to worry, just simply drag all, make sure it is cut. Okay, now see, chamfer, I'll choose this face, 1 millimeter, equal distance. Okay, that's it. Now here we need to make a cutout. This cutout is 2 millimeter. Then later we will assign all the edges fillet 3 millimeter. Only one edge is 5 millimeter. Other all edge are 3 millimeter. So I'll show you how. And let's make this cutout 2 millimeter. We will assign fillet. Then we will make cutout here. So first fillet we will try 3 millimeter. So I'll choose 1, 2, 3. If you keep your cursor, you will find this bottom, 4, 3 millimeter. Again select here, add new if you want. Let me choose 1, 2, 3. If you follow this bottom line, you will get this vertical somewhere like here. Due to this we are not able to select, so simply rotate, select 3 millimeter. Okay, fillet 3 millimeter. This one keeps separate, these two fillets. These two select in one shot, because we will get a perfect shape here. Now I'll choose this face, see, 3 millimeter. Now see, the same way. Okay, again choose fillet, select this edge, 3 millimeter, select plus, five millimeter. That's it. And the last edge is 3 millimeter. Okay, so here how we selected all the fillets. Select this face, sketch, and here we need to create rectangle. So I'll choose here center rectangle, because it's easy to define center rectangle. 2 millimeter width, enter. Let me choose this constraint, horizontal, select center point and origin point, and this comes in one line. Now it should be more than the length of this width, so simply finished, extruded cut. Now here we need to choose 1, 2, 3, because this is lying in one face and there is 3 closed body, so you have to select separately one by one. Now just drag outside here, make sure it is cut selected, even though you can choose here all. Now how you see the shape. Okay, see, so this is how we created a free guide in Fusion 360. This is the simple example for beginners. Now right click, appearance. Now we can change the raw material from here. Just simply drag down. First make sure it is body selected, not face. Now here there are too many materials, so let me choose chrome steel, drag on that and see this is changed. Simply closed and just save it. Give whatever name like free guide 1, free guide support or something. Save. Now it is saved in your panel, data panel. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks, Fusion 360 and Inventor. Thanks for watching.